with a stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. Pull up with the stick, let it hit. I put this on the 10, I'ma in. In life, no.
It's your boy G. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to my channel with
Leah. What's up?
yeah, you know what to do. And today we're gonna be watching Lance Stewart. For the ones out there that know Lance, he did a prank on his girlfriend Lizzie, act like he was gonna cut her hair, but I don't know if he did or not. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what he got going on.
I'll be so mad. So mad.
So hard to hug and vlog. In a car.
You did not. Lance. Lance. Lance.
Does it feel short? Does it feel short? Does it feel short?
Let me see your hand. Are you kidding me? Get your camera out of my face.
Does it feel short? Look, there's nothing even in my hand.
It doesn't mean you didn't just throw it away.
I didn't.
Lance, my hair takes so long to grow.
I didn't do anything. It's just a prank, bro. No, seriously though, like your hair is fine.
I can't talk because my hair's not straight right now.
I know it does look a little sloppy, but you good, girl. It's just a prank. Like there's nothing. I didn't actually do it.
You know what?
I was going to.
You know what?
What? You're gonna put Nair in my hair? Get the fuck out of here. I'll do that shit to you.
No, you
Do
won't.
it to me. You're gonna be bald as well. Alright, guys. Please.
Well, looks like that was the prank. At first, I thought he was actually gonna do it.
Yeah, I did. So I thought he was gonna actually like cut a little snap, or pretend he had like trucks or something in his hand.
Yeah, go.
Either way, I would have been upset too. So
I'm gonna have to do that to you one day.
no, you're not. So don't. Boy, I wish you would. You just his little hair. He like his head all of it cut off. Please try it.
Comment down
try
below
it.
if I should, guys. You know what I'm saying?
You trying to okay? All right. I'm locking my door.
Don't forget your keys.
Anyway, so. Well, this light is everything.
Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, for more videos, because they will be coming. You know what I'm saying? Anything else to say?
Like, comment, subscribe, like you said.
You did!